In this video, we will show you how to link all the windows to the screen so the employee can get to them. As you can see, once I put my ID in here, we don't have any screens. The only screen we have is our dinner screen. I cannot get to any of my other screens. So what we're going to do is we're going to go Other Functions. We're going to go to System, Menu Setup, and we're going to go to our button locations. It really doesn't matter what screen I pick to get to my button locations. Yes. I'm going to right click on an empty area of the screen, not on a button. And then I'm going to go Main Call Button Setup. Okay, our call button is a button that calls a window. As you can see, I have no groups now. Every time I add one in this section here, it's going to add a whole set of these call buttons. So then I can go next to get to the next set, or last to get to the last set, and go back and forth. So now it'll add a new one. And I'm going to select my first button window. So button, my first one will be dinners. It does not really matter what order I put it in. My second button will be beverages. Cook type and potato type do not have to be called from a call button, as they are automatically called from a sales item. Button 3, small pizza, and so on and so on. If I did not want my small pizzas on this set of call windows, I can clear that. I can clear this one and change it. So I'm going to make a whole new set for my pizzas. On this one, I'm going to go my appetizer menu, my bar menu, my desserts, and my miscellaneous window. Okay, if I want my name on that's shown on the button that the employee sees different than my window name, I can change it here. I'm just going to fix up the case a little bit. Now over here where it says calls number, I can have this set of call buttons call a whole new set when you pick it. So if I put pizza as my 7th window and say it calls my calls number 2 set of call buttons, it'll automatically go to my pizza set of call buttons with my small pizza, medium pizza, etc. I can also set these call buttons to a concept. So if I have a multi-concept location, I can have one that maybe says KFC that only goes to KFCs, so on and so on. And I can make it only available with certain groups and certain menus, or make it available with all groups and all menus. I do not really have a breakfast menu and lunch menu, so I just have one menu. I'm going to go finished. Now that'll be my first set of call buttons. My next set, which I'm going to add, is going to be my pizzas. So I go call window 1 and small pizza, medium pizza, and large pizza. Oop, I don't have large pizza. And then I can go to my half smalls and half mediums from within my small pizza and medium pizza windows. Again, I'm just going to fix these up. Just like sales items, I can put a comment in the name to bring it down a line. And it's available with all groups and all menus. Go finished. I'm going to go finished and finished. Then I can go exit and finished. And now, as you can see, I can get to my different screens. And if I go next, it'll bring to my next set. And last, and I can just go next, next, last, last. That concludes putting your windows onto the screen.